Alright, so I got myself a chest freezer. We finally got it all set up and it's running. So I'm finally going to move all of my rabbits and rabbit stuff that have been in our deep freezer into my chest freezer now. And I didn't update yesterday because was kind of busy by the time I had actual time to make a video. I was just kind of tired. Plus it was my birthday, so I think I can decide not to do anything on my birthday if I want to. So I didn't. So I'm gonna update a quick video today since I missed that day. And I'm gonna be putting everything in here. In that chest freezer right here. And I have some furs that I need to get around to figuring out how to tan. That should be everything. And yeah, it's cold in here. I got some condensation and stuff building up on the edges. So I sure hope it stays cold enough. Might have my dad check it out. But it seems to be working thus far. Hope it stays that way for a while. That'll make things so much easier. Come on, Gabby. Come on. Right on yourself. You don't need to be in here. Oh well, the other door's open. Alright, so yeah. Got myself a chest freezer and just moved everything over into it. I have a couple babies that I should be butchering here soon, and they'll be the first ones in that freezer. And then hopefully I'll have enough rabbits here soon to go take to the zoo. Yeah, so, and I've got other videos coming up with lots of other content, I guess. I've got lots of stuff going on. It's just a matter of getting it finished so I can get it up. Working on it though. This week's gonna be a bit crazy. I work 4 days this week, and one of those weeks is, well, I work at a fast food restaurant, and they have a day coming up for 50-cent corn dogs, and it's starting to get nice and warm outside. So yeah, it's gonna be a bit crazy. I don't know what I'll get up next week, but I'll get something up. I hope you guys are having a good week, I hope you guys had a good spring break, and I hope the summer will be good to you. See you later.